Kubukeka ngathi amakhosi asemtholile-ke umqeqeshi omusha ahead of the new season ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi they recently parted ways with Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf. UMickey Junior-ke laphana sekavezile-ke kwa-X ukuthi-ke amakhosi are set to appoint Fernando da Cruz as their new head coach. Sazi-ke ukuthi-ke lo mqeqeshi-ke kwafika-ke khona-ke lapha eNaturena, he was supposed to be assistant coach yakhe-ke uNazreddin Nabi a few years ago, kodwa-ke wagcina seshiyile-ke engakaze-ke aqale-ke isizini nalo-ke iqembu. Kuthiwa-ke lo mqeqeshi-ke sekavumile-ke ukusayina yona-ke i-2-year contract namakhosi, and he is expected to be unveiled by the club in the upcoming days. And-ke lokhu-ke kubhekwe yiyo-ke i-Far Post, a-South African publication, iveza-ke ukuthi-ke amakhosi have held talks or ama-discussions with uFernando da Cruz, so it does look like he will become the new coach for amakhosi ngoba besho-ke ukuthi-ke bayamprefera ahead of the other coaches abebewa-interviewer for the job, because usuke wasebenza-ke khona-ke laphayana eNaturena-ke for ngale nkathi-ke bekumele-ke abe i-assistant coach-ke yayo-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs.